here. Have you revised? Doc strings. These cases also capitalize, title, upper, lower, count, find and replace as well. These are the different
We didn't do
methods here.
replace.
Yeah.
We didn't do replace.
Is there the screen visible? Shared screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Later on, first of all, I want to discuss some points with all of you. Then after that, okay, here is one program we have. Write a Python program to calculate the number of digits and letters in a string. It means we need to calculate the number of digits and the strings given, okay, letters and the digits given in a string. Okay, and first of all, it is taking the input, the string from the user. Okay, first of all, it will take the input strings from the user. Strings liya, count equals to 0, count equals to 0. Then for I in string, checking the loop for I in string. If I is digit, this is the predefined function, whatever we discussed yesterday. If I dot is digit, is it means it is the caution कि जो भी I की value है in that string, what will be the I's first value? It will start from the 0th position. Let's say you have the string NK Bukrodia Public School 2020 and 21, right? So in this, it will go to the first 0th place here. 0th place digit, क्या वो digit है? अगर है तो count equals to count plus 1. Okay, otherwise if it is not digit, then count equals to count 2 equals count 2 plus 1. Okay, so number of digits and number of digits, characters, it will display in the count 1 and the count 2 option. Is this clear or not? Okay, can you do that in your computer, all of you? Do that in your computer.
Ma'am, can't we just use the len command for this?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can we just ma'am, we can just use the len command for this now.
एक मिनट बेटा, फिर से साउंड का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. बोलो, what are you saying?
Ma'am, we can just use the command for this though.
Ma'am, your PPT is not visible.
Can you wait for a second? Wait. Yes, tell me. What are you saying?
Ma'am, could you repeat the question that you had given?
The question, okay. This one, right?
Yes, ma'am. For this one, you could just use the len command to find the number of digits.
What is the purpose of len command basically? It always used to calculate the length of the string. Okay, now, but instead of length, we are only checking the different and the conditions, different characters and the conditions. Okay, let's say first of all, we are taking the inputted string here, count 1 equals to 0. Now we are taking the another variable. Actually, for counting the digit, we are taking the variable count 1, and for counting the characters, we are taking the variable count 2. And in that string, in the given string, let's say this is the string. Okay, so first of all, for counting that string, we are applying the for loop in that. Okay, the for loop is starting from the zeroth place. जैसे zero सबसे पहले p लिखा हुआ है. So it is checking that कि आपको 0, 1, 2, 3 using the for loop it is checking that condition in the string. If it is given कि I की जो position है 0 में अगर if it is equals to is digit, if it is equals to is digit, okay, if it is equals to is digit, अगर ये digit है then it is counting in count plus 1 कि हमारे पास एक digit हो गया. Because what is the value in count 0? 0 is there. 0 plus 1 कितना हो गया? 1 हो गया. तो count 1 के अंदर कितना चला गया बच्चों? 1 चला गया. Okay, if it is not digit, then count 2 में वो 1 ऐड कर देगा. Okay, so that's why it will do the recursion of the loop only. Okay, again and again it will check that condition in for each and every character, right? Or count 1 and count 2 will be counted separately. Then after that it will display that. Okay, do that question now.
Ma'am, can you just explain me this first line? String is equal to raw input enter string.
Yes. Who is asking this? Bhavya?
Yes, ma'am. Actually,
Bhavya, take the input values according to you. जैसे आप हमेशा लेते हो ना वैसे ही लो. Don't be confused in that कि raw input.
Actually, ma'am, when I wrote this string is equal to raw input enter string, error came. Name error is equal to name. Raw input is not defined.
हाँ तो मैं वही तो आपको कह रही हूँ बेटा कि don't give this. Only take the input values as we are taking always.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है चलो.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
हम count one number of digits कैसे गिन रहे हैं मतलब
बेटा नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स ऐसे गिन रहा है ना कि आई डॉट इज डिजिट if it equals to if it is equals to is digit, right? जो भी आपके स्ट्रिंग में है जीरोथ प्लेस में जो भी है if it is equals to is digit, okay, if this is digit then counting that कि count equals to count 1 plus 1, it means 0 में उसने 1 ऐड कर दिया है,
Okay, ma'am.
फिर 2 ऐड करेगा, जैसे मिलेगा 3 ऐड करेगा, okay?
Ma'am, why are we putting raw underscore input there?
Don't put raw. Take the input
Ma'am,
directly. Take the input string directly. Don't put raw. I'm just telling you.
Ma'am, I've put string.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the logic of this question.
First do this in your computer, then I'm dictating that once again.
Ma'am, I've done it. I sent it in the chat.
I have done also, ma'am. Even in the chat, I have sent also. Ma'am, I have also done. I have sent in the chat.
Just wait for 2 minutes. Kindly do that. Let them do all the students, okay? Then I will check one by one.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, done all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the problem there? You tell me again. Beta, I'm just telling you, instead of this, you can take the direct input value from the
Ma'am, how is it differentiating between character and digits?
Because we are applying the condition only for the digits. अगर हम digit के लिए condition apply कर रहे हैं, that it is counting only for the count 1. And this is for the otherwise condition. ये otherwise में चला गया. अगर वो digit ही नहीं है, तो otherwise देखो सीधा indentation दिया. चलो आपका काम हो गया. You do that. Do that. Doing. All.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, error is coming when I write print.
Okay, I'm just checking. Give me the screenshot there. I'm just checking that. Wait. आप वो फोटोज निकाल कर उसको कर लो. आरव शर्मा. Yes, Arav has done. See, is this visible?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done also.
Yeah. ठीक है. Input the string. It is taking the simple input there. I told you na that how are you taking the values from the user? If you are inputting some values from the user, then how are you taking that values from the user? कैसे आप input करवाते हो values? Because raw input will not work in your 3.x version. Okay, so kindly do in the same manner. Okay, let's say you are taking the integer value, you are taking you are putting int there. If you are taking the string value there, you are putting string input, and the string is taking in that C1 for the count 1 and C2 it is taking for the count 2. For I in string, okay, I dot digit it is checking in that after doing the traversal in that. Okay, for I in string, what is the value of I first of all? It is going at the first place. What is the first place there? At the 0th place. Take care. If the string is there, I told you about the string. NK Bagrodia Public School. Then 2020, I'm just writing, or 2021, I'm writing. Okay, so N is, what's the place of N? NK Bagrodia Public School. So N, what is the place of N? It is at the 0th place. So it is checking at the 0th place. Is this I जो 0 place पे है? Is this digit? No, it is not digit. So it is going to the else option. देखो इसने बच्चे ने else दे दिया. Instead of else, you can change the indentation part also. Indent आप दोबारा नीचे करोगे ना, अलग से हटकर करोगे, then it will go to the otherwise condition. Otherwise, instead of this, you can give the else condition also. If this is digit, then count 1 में plus करता जाएगा. Otherwise, if it is not digit, then it will the next option C2 में. But see what will happen if there is some special symbols. Dollar symbol आ गया और ampersand आ गया, तो what will happen?
मैम डॉलर वालों को तो काउंट करेगा.
Exactly, कौन काउंट करेगा? काउंट C1 और C2?
मैम वैसे भी मैम
C2.
Exactly. So C2 will count. C2 will count. Exactly. Who will count? C2 will count. Okay. So which variable will be used for that? C2 for the special symbols, because it is only counting the digits. How many digits are there? 0 to 9. Is this fine now?
Yes.
Is there any doubt? अगर इसमें डाउट है तो फिर से पूछ लो. हाँ ठीक है, चलो. I'm just sharing. 55 students are now. Some students have recently joined. Who is this? Who is this?
Ma'am, I joined at 15, Devansh.
Why Devanshu? Devansh?
Ma'am, due to some network issue, ma'am. My Wi-Fi got stuck, ma'am.
Okay. Done. The rest students, have you done all? Bhavya Mishra, Dhamma, Devansh, Dishita, have you done? These students? I'm just thinking that some students are doing these questions, but some students are very late for conducting all these questions, okay? And as well as they are joining very late also. I think they are joining only for the attendance. Am I right? Some students are joining late only just because of their attendance. I will check from the previous attendance also. Chalo, anyway. Beta, it will be very difficult if you will not join the class on time. Okay? Yes. Chalo, we should attend some more questions here now. Rest part I'm just doing from my PDF only. Searching for the string, yes.
मैम आपने लूप्स से पहले वाली पीडीएफ भेजी हुई है?
लूप से पहले वाली कौन सी?
मैम मतलब एक तो आपने लूप्स की भेजी थी पीडीएफ ग्रुप पे.
Getting started with Python I sent in your group. If you want it, then I can send it again.
Ma'am, can you please send all the PDFs once again?
Once again in the computers group, I will send it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And make one folder there in your group, okay, in your system for all these PDFs, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I'm just opening my. I'm just stop sharing. For just a second. कि हो नहीं पा रहा है. एक मिनट को. अब हो रहा है. Yes. Now it is. Is this visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm just एक मिनट रुको. Another this one. Yes, we should do this one only. See, one more question I want to discuss with you. See, what will be the output of the following program snippet? Okay, here it is taking one string there. The string is already defined. String is already defined means then we are taking the strings. Okay, we are not taking from the user. Okay, we are assigning one string in the string word. Okay, str equals to, yeah, this is the string. Now it is taking one empty string also. What is the name of the empty string? An_str. What is the name of empty string? An_str is here. For I in range, the length of the string. What is the length of the string? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, 0. Nothing.
8.
ये 0 कौन बोल रहा है?
Ma'am, I thought of empty string. Empty string.
Okay, fine. Okay, for that string, str, it is asking for the length of the str only. Na? This is an string, this is string. Okay, so what will be the length of the string? There will be the 8 characters. Okay, then I in range up to the length of the string. It will start from 0 up to what?
7.
7. 0 to 7. Right. So first of all, it is checking at the 0th place here. String is just 0th place. Is this dot is upper? Is this uppercase? Is this uppercase? No, it is not uppercase. This is small a, right? So it will go to the else option. It will change that character into the uppercase. Okay. We are seeing what is the difference between these two. If it is written there is upper, is lower, is digit, it means it is asking one question. और question कहाँ पर पूछा जाता है? In the sense of if. In the sense of if. If string this portion is upper. क्या ये upper case है? Is this upper case? Okay. अगर if this is true, then it is going to that portion. And now what is this? String I dot upper. It means it is converting in that. ठीक है बच्चे? It is converting in that. अभी देखो क्या कर रहा है? stri. What is the letter in the A? Letter is A. Small a is there. तो small a को क्या कर रहा है? It is converting in the upper case. Capital A merge कर रहा है NSTR के अंदर. What is inside to NSTR? Nothing. Null string. Nothing is there. Okay, so it is adding in that, merging in that. A इसके अंदर plus हो गया और उसके अंदर transfer overwrite हो गया. So what is the content in the NSTR जो पहले empty था? Now it has A. It has capital A. It has capital A. Okay, now doing the other option there. Okay, now that was in the 0th place. Now at the first place. What is that for first place? In the string? Capital N. Okay, now it is capital N. Okay, now it is checking it once again. Ki capital N, is this uppercase? Yes, this is uppercase. Now it is converting in the lowercase letter and sending, merging, appending it means merging in the string there. तो यहाँ पर N छोटा N आ गया. Okay, the small N is transferring in the string there. Now it is capital, now lower, then capital, then lower. Okay, it will check it again and again. Is this okay? Now I think you are able to do. Kindly do it now. Do all of you this question? All of you, are you checking that in your computers?
Yes.
It is good. Okay, one more thing. You can do some. Chalo pehle. First of all, you should do this one. Then after that, we will do some changes in that. Sound आना शुरू हो गया.
I'm done.
Yes, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
All the students?
नाम
Okay.
करना है अभी.
Are doing? Okay. Do it fast. Then after that, we will read the another one. Okay, so the previous one, we will read that. Go there. Done all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, write a program to count the number of vowels in a string pineapple. Vowels कौन से होते हैं? A-E-I-O-U. Okay, then in the given string, it is checking for the vowels here. Word equals to pineapple. It's string, what is, first string it is taking. What is the string variable name? Word. Okay, to word it is assigning one string there, one word there, pineapple. Count it is taking 0. 4 letter in word. 4 letter in word मतलब 4 I in word. String में वो check कर रहा है. Okay, for taking the loop. Instead of I, it is putting, क्योंकि हमें I की आदत होती है ना बेटा, तो instead of I, it is taking letter there. 4 letter in word, if letter in. Membership operator, it is using in that. Yesterday we discussed about the 2 membership operator. Which one? कौन से थे? In and not in. In and not in. So again it is using that in membership operator there. If letter in I, U, A, E, जो भी A, E, I, O, U, you can write. Right. Count equals to count plus 1. If it is matching with this letter, what is the value, first value of the letter in the word? 0. At the 0 place, what is there? P. It is P. P is in the given list? No. P is not here, so it will not count. Okay, go to the next portion. I. I is there? Yes, I is there. Count में count plus. What is the value of count now? 1. Now N. N is there? No. E is there? Yes. 1 count हो गया 2. A is there? Yes. 3. P not there. L is not here. E is here. So how many letters will be there? According to the vowels list? 4. Is this okay? Fine. Do this also in your computers. Program to count the number of vowels in a string. Pineapple.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, class. We have done many questions here.
Ma'am, in this question, in the book it is not given an indentation after count is equal to count plus 1. Ma'am, but there will be.
Where? In the same
Ma'am,
question?
in the same
Maybe
question.
some indentation, printing mistake can be there. So you need to correct it. Is this okay? Any doubt in the logic of the questions? Whatever we discussed today?
मैम हम इनकी जगह कुछ और यूज नहीं कर सकते थे?
किसकी जगह बच्चे?
इन मैम जैसे उसमें लिखा है ना।
हाँ, नहीं देखो सिंपल सी बात है, अगर आप इन नहीं यूज करोगे तो फिर आप कैसे लिस्ट में से निकालोगे? इट मीन यू विल अप्लाई द इफ कंडीशन देयर फॉर ईच एंड एवरी लेटर ऑफ द वोवेल्स कि इफ इट इज इक्वल टू ए, इट इक्वल टू बी, ए ई, फिर आई ओ यू, यानी यू विल अप्लाई द कंडीशन विथ ईच एंड एवरी वोवेल.
तो मतलब
So it will be very difficult. It will be quite difficult there. So using the membership operator only, we are applying one condition with all the vowels. We're checking the string there.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, till then you should do this question in your computer, then we will discuss it also. Otherwise in the next class we will discuss it. Yeah, I think this one we have already done. Write a program that reads a string and then prints a string that capitalize every other letters. So, okay, let's say I'm just giving one string school. So in this, S is small, C is capital, H is small, O is capital, second O is small, L is capital. So every second letter will be capital. So what will be the logic there? I'm just telling you. Okay, capitalize the every second letter of the string. Okay, the string, first of all, we are taking one string here, enter a string in the string option, length, it is calculating the length in that. Original string is definitely whatever the string I'm giving in the string option, then this one is the original string in there. Okay, so what is the original string? School is there. This is the empty string, string 2. We are taking string 2, A in range, 0 se lekar length. So what is the length there? 6. So 0 to 5 it will do traversal there. Okay, for finding the other places, we want to skip the one by one places there. So what will be the logic there? Ye dekho beta, we are starting the position from the 0 place, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the unique point there? How can we guess it? बताओ हम इसको कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? Alternate position, हाँ, by getting the even and odd numbers, क्योंकि some letters are at the even position and some letters are at the odd position. Okay, so it is checking its position by dividing it 2 is equals to 0. If it is even, then string 2 plus n equals to string A. इसको क्या कर रहा है? As it is string में transfer कर रहा है. Otherwise, जो आपका odd places हैं, odd places मतलब इस जहाँ पर capital C है, capital O and capital L, it is converting that position's value in the uppercase and transferring in the string. Then after that it is printing the string. आप समझ रहे हो मेरी बात? उसने उसकी पोजीशन गेट कर लिया कि जो इवन पोजीशन है वो एज इट इज ट्रांसफर स्ट्रिंग 2 में चला जाए और जो अपर ओड प्लेसेस वाला है उसको अपर में कन्वर्ट करके चला जाएगा. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू कैन डू. इज दिस ओके? एनी डाउट इन दैट? Yes, good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. I think you will be able to do all these type of questions, and the other varieties like split and other varieties we will do in the next class. Right? These all types of questions you need to do. Okay, bachcho? Try that open from the window. Till then, I'm just taking your attendance. Do it fast. Okay? Open that particular page from the chat option and do it in your computer right now. I'm just taking your attendance. What's the date today? 23rd. 7. Okay. Akansha Sharma, beta, tell me fast.
Present, ma'am.
हाँ, क्योंकि बैटरी is quite low of my system. Present. Arav Grewal.
Present, ma'am.
Arav Sharma. Agnish.
Present, ma'am.
Aishwarya. Aishwarya is present. I saw. Akshita.
Present, ma'am.
Aman Tomar. Aman Tomar. Please, one boy, can you help me? Just check in the chat option, in the meetings, participants there, and let me know about it. Anshika Hoon.
Present, ma'am.
Arumita.
Present, ma'am.
Aryan.
Present, ma'am.
Ayush Sharma.